So in this video demonstration, I will show you what happens when you put 2 and 2 together. Okay, and here it is because B is also B for your digital. When you put B and B together, you get your 88 windows. You put B and B together, it creates the window. Yes, and it further creates the square and the cross right there. Okay, just so you know, you can also take it like this. See this little sign? These are for eyes right here, just so you could see. This is how you could see the BB when you put 2 and 2 together, because B is 2.